Ever wondered how Cape Verde's football jerseys are manufactured inside modern textile factories?
Every jersey begins as raw materials before becoming high-performance sportswear worn by athletes. Small polyester pellets are loaded into industrial melting machines operating at extremely high temperatures. These polyester pellets are melted at high temperature into a bath. The molten polymer passes through tiny spinnerets, producing thousands of ultra-fine synthetic fibers. These fibers are stretched by drawing machine carefully to improve durability, flexibility, and overall tensile strength.
High-speed spinning machines twist the fibers into strong yarn ready for textile production.
Thousands of yarn cones are produced daily to support continuous jersey manufacturing operations.
The yarn enters computerized knitting machines that transform threads into breathable performance fabric. These white jersey fabric emerged into jet dyeing machine, turned into Cape Verde royal blue color fabric. Design engineers prepare every jersey digitally using advanced computer-aided design software.
Detailed tech packs define artwork, measurements, colors, logos, trims, and every production requirement. Digital printers produce vibrant transfer sheets using eco-friendly sublimation inks with exceptional precision. Front, back, sleeves, and graphics are combined into one perfectly aligned master layout. Transfer paper and fabric enter heated rotary presses under controlled temperature and pressure. Printed fabric is stacked carefully into multiple layers for efficient precision cutting. Computer-controlled cutting machines produce perfectly shaped panels with remarkable manufacturing accuracy. Laser cutting seals fabric edges instantly, preventing unwanted fraying during long-term use. Each precisely cut panel moves towards skilled operators for careful garment assembly. Industrial sewing machines join every panel using highly durable professional stitching techniques.
Flatlock stitching creates smooth seams that remain comfortable against an athlete's skin throughout games.
Overlock stitching strengthens seam edges while preventing unraveling during demanding sporting activities.
Collars, sleeve trims, and neck tape are attached with exceptional manufacturing precision. Official crests, branding, care labels, and finishing details complete every authentic football jersey. Every completed jersey undergoes strict visual inspection for flawless printing and accurate construction. Measurements are verified carefully to ensure every size matches official production specifications exactly. Seams and fabrics are tested extensively for flexibility, durability, and long-lasting athletic performance. Approved jerseys are pressed, folded neatly, packaged carefully, and prepared for worldwide distribution. From polyester pellets to national pride, every Cape Verde jersey reflects precision, innovation, and expert craftsmanship.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.